Oh, hey everyone, and welcome. I'm Mo Abdalla, founder and CEO of Good Faith Energy. Since 2014, our mission's been simple: help Texans produce, store, protect, and intelligently manage their own clean energy. What started as a residential solar company has grown into a portfolio of businesses dedicated to powering homes, protecting properties, and building a more resilient future. Good Faith Energy was built around generating, storing, and intelligently managing clean energy. Over the years, we've become one of Texas's most trusted clean energy providers, installing more than 5,000 solar and battery systems for homeowners and businesses across the state. Long before battery backup became mainstream, we recognized that the future wasn't just renewable, it was resilient. Today, we're proud to be one of the region's most experienced battery backup installers, helping families and businesses keep the lights on when the grid can't. As our vision expanded, so did our companies. Good Faith Roofing was founded to protect and preserve the integrity of the roofs that safeguard our homes and communities. This helps us ensure we never install rooftop solar on an aging substrate and puts us in a category unlike many, an ethical roofer that specializes in power electronics. And now, we're proud to share Good Faith Electric, our latest startup. Good Faith Electric is dedicated to developing, owning, and operating DC fast charging infrastructure across the state of Texas, helping deliver the energy that powers the next generation of transportation. Together, the Good Faith portfolio of companies allows us to support every stage of the energy journey. We help generate it, we help protect it, and we help deliver it. What makes Good Faith different isn't just what we do, it's how we do it. We believe homeowners and business owners deserve honest advice, transparent communication, and solutions tailored to their unique needs. Our goal has never been to simply sell products. It's to educate, build trust and relationships, and deliver quality workmanship that lasts for years to come. On this channel, you'll find educational videos covering solar, batteries, roofing, EV charging, and the latest innovations shaping the future of energy and construction. We'll also take you behind the scenes of real projects, introduce you to incredible people on our team, and share practical insights to help you make informed decisions. The future of energy and construction is connected, and we're excited to help build the infrastructure that powers what's next. To the thousands of homeowners and businesses who have trusted us over the past 12 years, thank you. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and join us as we continue building a cleaner, smarter, and more resilient future. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Good Faith.